Hi. Well, we've all been here. Late and wrong. Nobody likes this. Agile has it right. Working software to drive collaboration and iteration. But conventional approaches mean we discover errors only after considerable time and effort. We need working software now for early collaboration and rapid iteration. That's now possible with AI to create a database, plus API Logic Server to create a logic-enabled project, deploy for collaboration, and iterate. Let's see a complete project cycle in 6 minutes. We first describe our system to ChatGPT. We copy the generated SQL to a file. And build the database. API Logic Server creates a customizable project from the database. It's ready to run. But before that, let's add authentication. And the core business logic. Instead of 200 lines of code, it's 5 spreadsheet-like rules that exactly reflect our design. We declare rules using Python as a DSL. Logic is automatically reused across all relevant use cases and optimized to minimize SQL. We now use the automatically generated admin app to add an order and some items. We use the multi-table logic to compute the balance and check against the credit limit. Now we deploy so that business users can collaborate using working software. API Logic Server created the deployment scripts to containerize our project and deploy it to Azure. Perhaps the business users identify a new requirement: volume discounts for carbon neutral products. We add a column. We rebuild the project. Our logic is preserved. We update the admin app. We update the logic with a pinch of Python as a 4GL. Logic is automatically ordered, eliminating a major cause of friction in iteration. Finally, we verify it works by adding a new item to our order. Use your IDE to debug logic, along with the logic log. And there you have it. In 6 minutes, we've used ChatGPT and API Logic Server to convert an idea into working software, deployed for collaboration, and iterated to meet new requirements. It uses standard tooling, Python, your IDE, and container-based deployment. Thanks for watching.